Hello, everyone. I'm Shannon Kyoko, and I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of the wallet of Satoshi, the simplest Bitcoin wallet, as they say. They say it's so simple that your mom could use it. And after I discovered it, I'm sure that my mom could use it, her mom could use it, and your mom could use it. So let me show you how it is. So let's get the Wallet of Satoshi up. Go into your App Store or Play Store and let's type in Wallet of Satoshi. Click on install or open if you already have it installed. And then click on the start button to start. Now we're going to click on the person icon on the top right so that you can register the account. And at the bottom there is the login or register button. We're going to enter our email as requested and click on OK. Then check our email. Okay, so let's do that. So we're going to copy the link, not this one. We're going to copy this link and I'll paste it into the Wallet of Satoshi app. And it literally does it automatically. So it detects it, so it will be okay. You logged in successfully. To register an account, we basically do the same thing. We follow the same process. Click on the person icon, click on the login or register button, and enter your email. Because this is the only thing you need to start transacting Bitcoin on Wallet of Satoshi. So it says that there's 2 words in my email, so I'm going to copy them. And in my case, the words are drag and shift. So let's copy this and paste them into the app. So I'm gonna paste them. Shift. Okay, and that's it. I'm logged in, I'm registered, very simple. As you can see, the UI is so simple. It's just you, your balance, receive, and send. And the 3-button menu has simple items as well. Buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, paste the Lightning invoice if you have one, and the other simple menus. It's that simple, you know. I am. So now we're going to receive Bitcoin. To receive Bitcoin, click on the receive button, and if you're transacting on the Lightning network, you're able to change your Lightning address. If you follow these few steps, you'll be able to change your Lightning address. You can copy it and share it as an image so that the person on the other end can just scan it and you'll receive your payment. I can also add a note so that I remember why I am receiving this money. Is it school fees? Is it a beer? Is it coffee? That's it. So yeah, and if I want to receive Bitcoin, I'll click on the Bitcoin button and it's literally the same thing. Transacting on Bitcoin on the Bitcoin on-chain network is more expensive, so it's better for big transactions. And that's it. On sending money or sending Satoshis, which is the smallest unit of Bitcoin, I'll click on the send button. And I'm able to scan. So I'll click receive on the other phone and scan the wallet address. Then I'll enter the amount. I can add a note to say why I'm sending this money, but I'm not going to. And just wait and see how fast it is. Fast. Lightning fast, right? Very fast. So this is how you send and receive transactions, send and receive Satoshis or Bitcoin on the Wallet of Satoshi. I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you've learned something. And please start stacking Satoshis. And I don't mind if you send to any of the wallet addresses you've seen in the video. I hope you've enjoyed. the whole walkthrough of the app. And as you've seen, it's so easy. It's seriously crazy easy to use. So why don't you try it out and onboard and use Bitcoin? It's just as simple as using mobile money or M-Pesa in Kenya, but for Bitcoin. You'll forget you're using fancy tech. So try it out and toodles, have fun.